we have been leaked hundreds of emails. In these emails, US politicians, the elites, and Hollywood A-listers are using Yahoo Mail accounts to plan bird drone surveillance. The government has hollowed out mountains and is using the innards for bird drone assembly factories. The elites in our society are ornithophiles, bird lovers. But the biggest revelation of them all? The government has kept real living birds, chickens. There are still living birds being kept in bunkers. If we locate them, we can repopulate the Earth.